Hey, let me show you how you can hide your photos, videos, or for example screenshots in the Realme 12 5G. So all you have to do is just to open the settings. Now you will have to scroll down until you find the security and the privacy. And now you have to scroll down again and move into the private safe. So now you will have to actually create the privacy password. If you create this privacy password previously, you just have to input it right here to access this private safe. And as you can see right here, we can actually hide our images and the videos. So now we have to click right here and add anything from the gallery that we want to hide. So let's say that I want to hide, for example, these two photos, and to confirm, I have to click to set as a private. So now these two photos were actually removed from the gallery, and now I'm the only person that actually got access into this one. So as you can see, you can put here photos, images, videos, screenshots, screen records, so whatever you have on your phone and you want to hide from someone else. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.